So right now we're outside White's Tavern, which is 395 years old. So it's a bit of a historic landmark within Belfast as the oldest tavern. We took it on in 2018, I think, if I remember correctly. And since then we have expanded the tavern into some other venues like White's Beer Hall, White's Garden and the White Store as well. And the next development for this location is to go upstairs and add 36 bedrooms. But the history is so important to us. We've tried really hard to protect it in the tavern here, and then whenever we've expanded in the complex, we've tried to make sure that we stay true to the nature of the tavern as well. And that's important to, I think, people who are coming to visit Belfast and also locals as well, that we keep those areas protected. At the minute, the plans are not set. We'll aim to obviously protect the tavern as much as possible and keep it true to its nature and its history. And then with the rest of the venues there, we'll keep them as they are. It might be a few wee changes just for access to the hotel upstairs.